Today, we'll be walking through how to create and assign tasks effectively, keeping your team aligned and projects on track. First, let's talk about creating tasks. This feature is central to your workflow in Atarim. You can capture feedback visually by clicking directly on the website or project area you're working on. Notice how a screenshot is automatically attached for context. This feature ensures that everyone, from the person assigned the task to the client providing feedback, has the full picture. Use clear and descriptive titles. This keeps your team aligned and reduces back and forth communication. Now let's assign this task to a team member. Clear accountability is key to successful task management. Assigning tasks based on team strengths ensures efficiency and high-quality outcomes. Keeping task statuses updated is critical for tracking project progress and avoiding delays. The board view offers a bird's-eye perspective of all tasks across your projects. This drag-and-drop functionality makes updating statuses seamless. Atarim's task management isn't just about lists. It's about creating a collaborative space where tasks are tied to their context, be it a mock-up, website, or document. By using annotations, you can reduce ambiguity and provide precise feedback, saving time and minimizing revisions. Finally, let's talk about priorities. Setting task urgency is vital when managing tight deadlines, as we all know. Highlight urgent tasks so your team can focus on what matters most. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks, even in fast-paced projects. And that's it for today's tutorial on creating and assigning tasks in Atarim. Remember, these tools are designed to foster clear communication and smooth collaboration, whether you're managing internal teams or working with clients. Be sure to check out our other videos and help desk documents on visual collaboration for more tips.